You would really enjoy using Linux. Install Linux. Use Linux. Arch
Make a
Linux.
video on
Just
Linux.
improve
Just
Linux.
Arch
Linux. Arch
Linux. Video
Linux.
on
Just
Linux.
improve
Video on
Linux. Or Linux. Okay, so I've been using Windows for most of my time and been customizing it until it even looked like Windows. And for Linux, I had used it before, but it was like, yeah, just trying it out and nothing crazy. Cause I never wanted to try it out cause Windows just works for me. So after seeing some comments by some really friendly people, I thought why not step in the Penguin side and see what's going on. Now after watching a few videos by some goated people and getting their big support from a community, I thought it's finally time to check the Penguin out. Now if I like it, then that's an issue cause the channel might went from Windows Rising to Linux Rising, but let's see. Now let's pick which penguin I'm gonna slaughter, cause there's a lot in a penguin hub. Many people said to try mint, but I didn't like it that much. So I picked a few and asked my community which one to use. And after seeing the votes and some brave comments by some real nice people on stuff that I should look out for, I picked this one. So I followed a video by this really nice guy, and now if everything goes alright, I should be in Linux. Okay, so looks like I'm on Linux. I like how everything looks so easy to understand, which is nice. Now, if I open the start menu, then yeah, looks like we got some apps installed. I might remove a few as I don't think I would ever use these apps, but that's later on. Now then, as I'm planning to use it as my main OS, I need to set it up. So let's create a list on things I would need and then install them one by one. So first thing is the browser, as I don't like Firefox that much, so let's replace it with Helium. Now instead of installing it with Firefox, I'm planning to be a true Linux user and then installing it with console. Okay, now if I type this and then press enter and then give my password. Okay, now it worked. Let's press Y. This is asking me again. And yeah, it's done. Now if I type sudo dnf install helium bin and then press enter, press Y again, then it should start installing Helium browser for me. And yeah, now we just gotta wait a bit. Okay, now let's press Y again. Okay, so it looks like Helium browser have been installed. So if I go here and search Helium, and yep, it's right here. Here is the browser itself. Let's full screen it, and yeah, here it is. Now okay, so I got my OBS ready and I don't need this anymore, so let's close it. I got OBS, then got Helium. Firefox can stay here. I'm gonna remove it later on. Now all we need is Figma, as I use that to create thumbnails for my videos. So Figma Linux. Looks like we gotta install it from here. And looks like it has never been updated. Well, I hope this is gonna work, so yeah, let's try it out. Okay, so looks like it's available for Fedora. I think I would need the RPM package, so yeah, let's install this one. Now we just gotta wait. Okay, so that has been installed. Now if I minimize this, now if I open the file explorer and then move to downloads folder and then right click on and open with discover, and I believe I should be able to install it right from here. So let's see what happens. Now my password. Okay, so it looks like it has been installed. So now if I open this and then type Figma and then open it, then yeah, it has been installed. Now I ain't gonna log in right now because I'm planning to do it later on. Okay, now let's see if Fedora comes with fast fetch free installed. Let me type this. And okay, looks like it does not. Well, we can just install it right from here. And now we just gotta wait again. And here it is, we got fast fetch right here and looks great to me. Wait, let me close it and then open it again. And then if I do fast fetch, and yep, here it is. Got my username, got the Fedora logo as well, and other kind of stuff that's showing here. I might as well hide all of this because I don't think everyone needs to see all of that. Now that I got this, now let me think what else I need. Okay, so as I'm almost done, I need to transfer all of these recording files to my PC. So to do that, I'm planning to install an app called LocalSend. So yeah, let's see if that's available here. So if I open this and then search LocalSend, yep, I can select it right from there. Here it is. So let's install it. Gotta give it some moment. Is this even installing or what? As much I know, there are some effects that you can add, like a wavy effect when you move any tab or anything. Well, I haven't done much customization as I'm just installing apps that I need, which, yeah, it's kinda boring, but I'll customize it later on. Wait, let me see if I can move the taskbar. If I click here, and then I think I'm gonna click this one. I guess I move it up like this. Yeah, just like that. Wait, can I make it smaller? Oh yes, I can. Looks like I can enable auto hide as well. And why not make it a bit smaller? Now if I hover up, yeah, it's there. Now then, let's see what kind of wallpapers are pre-installed. They are nice. I'ma pick this one. Yeah, this is nice. Now then, the $1 trillion question. Will I be using Linux from now on? Well,